Traders, here's how to get set up on TradingView trading a Think Capital prop firm account. Click on the link in the description below or the link that I sent you. That'll take you to this website. You can scroll down or just click Get Started. Find an account size. Start small if you like, whatever you prefer. And you can see what this offers. If you like the dual step or the Nexus, depending which preference you have, click on the option. And on the left, select your preference, the account balance that you'd like to start with, and make sure that you select this Think TradingView over here. Don't select Platform 5, we'll go with this one. I like news, and you might want to go for a bit more drawdown limit here. Okay, 5% daily and 10% overall. But this is the option for TradingView. Fill in your details, make your purchase, and if you've got a promo code, enter that here for the discount, and you can proceed with the purchase. Now, Think Capital will send you an email, and they will give you a login. You can use the login that they send you to log straight into your account on TradingView. Okay, so I'll just log out of here for a second. Log out. And it's an easy process. You just open up the trading panel here and select Think Markets as the broker. So scroll down, go All Brokers, Think Markets, go OK. I think I'm already connected, but yeah, connect. Use the password they gave you in the email for the account. It's the actual password, and use your email address for the account. So this will be the prop account, and then log in. Leave that unchecked, and that will log you in. As you can see now, I'm logged into Think Markets. So go over here and create a new list, and I've called my list Think Markets. And then what I've done is just click the add, go all, and select the broker. You'll have the option to choose the broker, and then I'll just start from the top and select A, B, C, CAD, right? Select CHF, right? Euro. I don't trade these. I only trade majors, majors and minors. I don't trade these exotics. And you can actually select these others as well. The US index, the NAS, the US 30, and they have Bitcoin, ADA. They've got a selection of crypto as well. So these are all Think Markets. This is Cardano Think Markets down here. And then you have your list here, and we can go through then and set up the alerts. Come into the alerts. I've already done it. You can see there's a whole bunch of these alerts going off, but go back and click on the top of the list, sort alphabetically if you like. And the alert that I prefer is this one here, the trend sentiment, 3 dots. Add the alert, leave it as is. That's my preference. I like it in the phone app. I can turn that on and off. Don't touch any of this and go create. And that's it. I've done it. I won't do it again. And then you can run through these and create an alert for every one of these. Now, the other alert that I actually like is the Trend Track HTF. So the 3 dots, add alert, leave it as is, once per bar, and then go create. And I've done that for all of the instruments that I've got selected here. So the log is on the right, the alerts are on the left, and you can see here the trend sentiment and the HTF alert for every currency pair. And then click over on your log, and you can have a look at the opportunities as they come in. All right, we've got a Bitcoin Cash alert. All right, that looks like a buy, possibly. Just wait for the trend track to settle in. Yeah, we've got 2 alerts here. Long position. Yeah, well, I would have preferred to have entered back down in here. Stop loss under the low. I'll set a pending order. Okay, right click, create a limit order. Limit, okay, market limit based on the long position tool. Make sure that you sort out your risk. I'm going to risk a percentage, and I'll start with 0.2% of my account. This is a $10,000 account. Click buy, it's a buy limit. Okay, order rejected. Looks like weekend trading on this one's out. But it's as easy as that. And yeah, I mean, you'll be able to trade a Think Markets or Think Capital prop firm account right here using our indicators. Now, if you haven't already, you want to join VIP, head over to my website, tradingwithanthony.com, click on the free trial, and that's a 14-day trial. If you want access to the indicators immediately, you'll have to become a member, a full paying member, and it's only $29.95 a month at the moment. That'll be going up soon. So, if you want to lock in the discount, now is a good time. Yeah, so with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading as always, and see you in the next one.